just wondering why my screen has gone white. But now I know.
There you are. So I think we've got 9 in all, right? So let them join in. Probably I'll be around. Any
Yeah.
help you need, Ashwini ma'am, Shazia would be mostly there. But there
Yeah,
you
Sure,
I
sure.
would be there the entire
are.
session.
Ali, morning. Good morning, Ali. Lovely screen behind. How are you, Ali?
Yes, really.
Ali, if you feel hungry, you can just go behind and eat it.
Ah, ha, ha, ha. Yeah.
Wonderful, wonderful. This is nice. So Ashwini ma'am, what else did you do besides the drama and do you also do language? Zooming your life.
Yeah, so I do. I think so. I feel very comfortable with languages. That is my strength area. So currently, I'm doing translations as well from Marathi to Hindi and English, or
Wow.
proofreading, etc. So whatever I can do sitting at home, I am doing that. And after every Helen O'Grady batch, we make a video of all their dialogues. We put them together to kind of create a movie,
Wow.
because doing drama online on Zoom, then they'll not be able to create any memories. So if the
Correct, correct,
children
correct.
want to watch it again later on,
Right.
so so that is something which I have taught myself in the lockdown. So lockdown has actually helped to build skills, I guess.
Oh, so wonderful. I think this is nice, nice to hear. And really, I think last week the kids also were very excited. And then I told them that I had to take a class because I said, hold on, you will get something interesting. Just wait for. No,
Yeah,
I'm,
last week I was really, really sorry. Both
I'm
my
not at
children
all.
at school, and it was a nightmare last week.
Oh, so they also doing the online classes, and then you have this. Hi, Khadija.
Yeah,
So they have the online classes parallelly going on.
they have their online classes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, okay. All right. I'll leave you with your kids. I think that Shazi once, right, when the number of kids come in.
Yeah. Once
Perfect.
everyone is there, I'll just let her know.
Perfect.
Sure.
Perfect. I think we're almost done. Maybe a couple.
And all these children know each other. They are from
We
the
have
same.
altogether 10 kids.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
we'll just wait for 2 more minutes.
Okay, Shazia, that's good. So just give you a little background. So
Yeah.
all these children are in and around Navi Mumbai. So
Okay.
so this was a program that we started last year, probably by December. So they were all
Okay.
going to regular school, Delhi World School, and APJ, and then I decided to take my kid out of the school because I felt there was no creativity there, and homeschool was not an option. So we thought of doing unschooling. So then these are the friends and these are some of the families and people we know. They decided to follow the suit. So we have a
Okay.
group of 30 kids. At that time when
Wow.
Anand Kumar's Hrithik Roshan's Super 30 came out. So we said it's
Uh-huh.
Super 30 and different age groups, but we'll only take 30 kids and we'll unschool them. Not at home, but at a common institute. So we had taken a co-working space. While they didn't materialize immediately, but we had few classes around.
Mm-hmm.
And so this is the youngest batch. We call them Curie, and there are around 9 kids in them. So all of them have met each other except for one child who is in Qatar. Otherwise, everyone is in
Okay.
Navi Mumbai. Yes,
Okay. 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 So this child in Qatar is able to join because of this online.
yes. Otherwise, it
Yes.
would not have happened. Yeah.
Correct. 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 And so, please explain to me what is the difference between unschooling and homeschooling.
All right. So essentially, homeschooling is where you are the teacher and you are the parent as well. And
Yeah.
what we know with our Indian families, I'm a big proponent of the whole concept. But then there are a lot of guests coming in. Our homes, Mumbai, we know our homes are not as big as we'd like to. There's no football,
Hmm.
perhaps. So unschooling is where you create a peer group for them.
Okay.
So like Starbucks is a third space. So between school and home, there's a third space we created.
Hmm.
And
Hmm.
we
Hmm.
have outings together, we have footballs together, we have these trips, and then there are teachers appointed to teach them. It's not the parents only.
Okay. But so none of them are now going to a formal school.
No, none of them.
Wow, that's quite a bold step, and I'm so glad that more and more parents are doing it.
No, absolutely. I think it's great to see the trust of the parents, but then that's what we want to give the
Yes.
best to them. This is where they
Very true.
choose their passion. Like they don't want to do anything, they don't do it, but then we do what they like.
Very true. Very true.
Right. I think everyone's there, Shazia. You can take over, and then let's get started with that. I'll make you both the co-hosts as well.
Yeah, two more to go.
Yeah, we have
but
8.
we can start as such.
Okay. And
So there's still 1 minute left to 10. So let's wait
right,
for them.
absolutely. And Shazia, please check
Okay.
for the audios and the mics. So is there, you have a
Zainab,
Go ahead.
you can on the audio, then you will be able to hear.
Is she not able to hear?
Yes, she wrote in chat.
She can't write. Umaima?
Oh.
Oh, acha, okay, she has written. I cannot hear. Okay, I'll just help her. Zainab, unmute yourself, Zainab. Zainab, you can't hear? Okay. Wait, I'll help you. I'll help you out. Wait.
Mustafa, if you can hear me, there's a little background noise that's coming from your. Or just check again, Mustafa, before we get started. Yeah. So if I mute everybody, I can see. All of you can hear me now. Zainab, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. All right. Musfira Rizwani, welcome. That's nice. Okay. Zainab, can you also restart? It's okay. Just restart. And same with you, Mustafa. Otherwise, all good. Khadija, hi. Can you hear me? Can you unmute and speak up? So we'll quickly do one last try before ma'am takes over. All right. So Ashwini ma'am, these are the kids. Your kids are here. Some of them might be tongue twisters. Maybe first time you're meeting them. There are 2 Musfiras. Then the rest of them, all of you good.
Okay.
There's a Professor Umar. You can always call him up. There is Mustafa, who just become a very big elder brother. So
Okay,
he
very
had a little
good.
younger brother coming in. There is Khadija, who's just Khadija. Hello. Okay, you met others. Manha, hi Manha, who a birthday girl. Last week we had a lovely birthday celebration, didn't we, Manha?
Wow.
So do you want the audios on, Ashwini ma'am?
Yes. Audio's on, please.
Okay, so I'll unmute everybody. But these kids are aware. They know the unmuting and muting, so you can always ask them. I'll be in the
Yes.
background now. There are some kids. Sometimes you might hear noise, so I'll just unmute them. Otherwise, all good. Mustafa, I think there is a little hissing noise. 1 minute, if I can unmute you. Yeah, Mustafa.
Do I have to mute?
No, ma'am. Wait, ma'am will tell you. Okay. So I'll leave over to ma'am. I'll just go in the background. Shazia, if you're there.
Umaima,
Yeah, I'm there.
Perfect.
Umaima, I can't see you, beta.
Oh yeah.
And Shazia is okay. Shazia is
Yeah, I'm there. Yes.
perfect. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
And
Good morning, ma'am.
all of you be on unmute because I want to. This is a class where you're going to talk more than I can talk. Okay. So I want to see how much you can talk and how much you want to express. So everybody be on unmute. Okay. And the only rule we will follow is that whenever you want to talk, you will put up your hand so I can see you and then you can express whatever you want to. Okay. Khadija, please unmute
Ma'am,
yourself.
we can put this also, na? This.
What do you want? Yes, you can raise your hand that way as well. Only thing is it takes a while to see that tiny little hand. So it's better if you put up your own hand, which is far more visible. Yes, Mustafa? Okay. Khadija, unmute yourself, bacha. Khadija, can you hear me?
No, she can't hear.
She can't hear you.
She
Okay.
can't hear.
Yeah, I think so.
Little bit I can hear you.
Little bit you can hear me.
Okay.
And what happened to your teeth, Khadija? And because of your background, your teeth are looking all purple and starry. All right. Okay, children. So my name is Ashwini, and in a while I will ask you to introduce yourselves as well. And I am going to be your speech and drama teacher. First of all, I want to know from you, what do you think about speech and drama? What do you think it means? Who wants to answer? One by one.
I know.
Put your hand up. Yes, Khadija. Who wants to answer first?
Me, mommy.
Okay, Umaima.
Speech and drama means speech means we speak, and drama means we do actions or we do dance.
We do actions or we do dance. All right. Okay. Anybody else wants to answer? What do they think about speech and drama? Ali?
Yes.
What do you think, Bacha?
Dance and song.
Dance and songs. Okay. Mustafa is putting his hand up. Yes, Mustafa?
We can put a speech in it and a drama.
A drama. So what is drama? Drama means dancing, is it? Manha, what do you think?
Drama means we do acting and we do actions.
Actions. Okay. Khadija, yes?
Drama is fighting and slow.
Drama is fighting. Okay. All right. So, Umar, do you want to give your opinion? What do you think is drama?
It's a serial that my mom sees every day.
Your dad and sorry, just speak up again. I could not get it.
It's like a movie that my mom sees every day. Indian drama or that is called drama.
Good job. Wonderful. Excellent. Hashir, what about you? What do you think drama is? Sorry? Okay. All right. So tell me, children, do you all do drama with your parents? How many of you agree? Put your hand up quickly. Those who say that we do drama with our parents. Come on, quickly. Very good. Hashir, you also. Ali, you don't do any drama at all? Sure. So when we tell, I will give you one very simple example of drama, okay? And then you think whether you also do something similar to that, okay? Just look at me. So when I don't want to go to school, let's say, okay, now you all are not going to school anyway, but if I don't want to go to school, I would tell my mother, Mama, my stomach is paining so bad, real bad. You know what? I cannot get up. It is paining a lot. And then Mama says, oh my God, my poor little darling, your stomach is paining. Okay, fine. Come here. And your mama cuddles you and, you know, hugs you and kisses you. And then she puts you to bed. And the moment the bus leaves, the school bus leaves, you tell Mama, oh Mama, I'm absolutely fine now. No tummy ache, no pain at all. I am feeling very healthy. How many of you have done that kind of a thing before? Mana?
No.
Mana?
No.
You haven't done that, but you wanted to share something. You had put up your hand.
No.
Okay, so children, that is drama. We do that in our day-to-day life also. It's not just that drama has to be big time acting, or acting in movies or acting in television serials. Drama is what when we use our expressions, when we use the modulation in our voices to try to talk to people. Imagine if I would have told you, hello children, good morning, how are you, open your books, and now we are going to do speech and drama. What would you have done? You would have fallen asleep, right? See, Umayma is laughing. Would you have enjoyed a teacher who spoke like that? No, absolutely not, right, children? So that is what speech and drama is, where we use all our expressions to talk, because when we talk to people, we want them to feel interested in what we are saying, don't we? So that is what it is. Now let us start with something exciting. So I haven't asked you your names or to introduce yourself, but let's do a game first, okay? So what I want you to do is, since it's your first class, right, of the day?
You give rule of the game.
Sorry?
You give rule of the game.
Yes, I will tell you the rules of the game. Is this the first class for your day?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, great. So let's get some energy in. If any one of you are holding the phone in your hand, put it down, because I want you to get up and move. Okay? So what I want you to do is listen to the rules first. What I want, Khadija, if you can get to a normal background, beta.
Ma'am, sitting on a laptop.
Yeah, that is fine, no problem. But if somebody, don't hold something in your hand, because I want you to move. Okay? Khadija, get to a normal background, because otherwise I can't see you. Yeah, thank you, Bacha. Good job. Okay, so what we have to do is, do you know what is this? It is an instrument. What is it called? Does anybody know the name?
Drum.
Oh, it's not a drum. See, look at it.
Ma'am.
What is it called? It's something which starts with a T. Who knows quickly? Try to exercise your brain.
Could you give a clue?
Hashir.
Would you give
Hashir
a clue?
Yes, Musfira, I'll give you, but Hashir wants to answer. Yes? Hashir, I could not hear you, beta. Okay, Musfira, it starts with T, and it rhymes with. Okay, let's get to that later. This is called a tambourine. What is it called?
Tambourine.
Tambourine, okay? So what I'm going to do is, this tambourine is going to be my instrument to help me to do that. Could you hear that?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. So every time I do that and I say freeze, what are you going to do? What is the meaning of freeze? You freeze.
You have to freeze.
Yes, absolutely. Khadija, beautiful expressions there. Lovely. Ali, get to a normal background. Otherwise, I can't. Sometimes your head disappears. Sometimes your hand disappears. So get to a normal background, Ali, please.
Mustafa, you will freeze or you are in snow. Ma'am, I know that.
Yes.
Ma'am, like this.
Absolutely, Mana. Very good. So when I tell you to freeze, you all will freeze and you will hold your freeze. And then when I tell you, then you will unfreeze or relax. Got it? Did you understand? Give me a thumbs up if you did.
Yes.
Good job. So the first time we are going to do this is Mustafa, you as well, if you can get out of your frozen background, because otherwise, sometimes I can't see your face. And for me, looking at your expressions is very important. Yes, thank you, Beta. Okay, so the first time we are going to do this is while we are sitting, as we are sitting. Okay, so I want you to just move your upper body, imagining that you are an octopus. So you don't have just 2 hands, you have 8. All right, and this octopus is right now very sleepy, very tired. So come on, all my tired octopuses, start moving your limbs. You have 8 of them. Come on, move them, move them. Very good, Harshit. You're sleepy and tired, remember? So your face should also be sleepy and tired, not happy. Umayma, beautiful, beta. Mustafa, come on, move your limbs. Mushfira, good job, beta. Umar, move it. Very tired and sleepy. Very good, Mana. And 1, 2, 3. Freeze. Hold it. Hold your freeze. Wherever you were. Oh, excellent. Excellent. Beautiful. You're able to hold your freezes so well. Now, this octopus's mama gives it a big glass of chocolate milkshake. Okay? And so the octopus is feeling really energetic and excited. So now when the octopus will move, it's going to be moving full of excitement. 1, 2, 3, and start. Move, 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 move. Excited. Move your limbs, and I want happy faces, excited faces. Come on. 1, 2, 3, and freeze. Freeze. Hold your freezes. Wow. Excellent. Excellent. That's beautiful. Very nice, Umayma. I love the happiness. Good job, Khadija. Very nice. Relax, relax. And now, do you know what happens to the octopus? Mama tells the octopus that... 1 minute. Yeah. Mama tells the octopus that go to the market and get me some milk. Okay. So now the octopus has to move, get up from the chair and go to the market to buy some milk. All right. So children, all my octopuses.
Is he happy?
Yeah, he's happy. He wants to go and help his mama, right? Like you all help your mama and daddy. Similarly, this one also wants to, but he's like big and fat. So when he's going to move, it takes him a while. Yes, Mustafa, beautiful expressions there. The moment I said fat, he did. Very good. So all my fat octopuses get up, move from your chair, and away you go. And you're moving slowly just because you're very fast. And walk up to the store. Come on, get up from your chair. Very nice. Excellent. And go to the store, buy some milk. Excellent, children. Well done. 3 and freeze. Hold your milk bags and freeze for me. Let me see your expression. Beautiful. Well done. Hold your freezes. Excellent. Freeze, 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 and stop. Oh, I actually got a thank you, Umar, for getting me Amul Taza. Lovely idea there. Good job. So drama is thinking, right? So he thought, why not actually get a can of milk, right? Good job. Okay, now we are going to change from the octopus.
Store. I want to go to store again.
You want to go to the store again? Okay, but this time we are going to be a robot, okay? How does a robot walk? Who can show me? A robot walk? Yeah, so I want jerky movement. I want a lot of jerky movement. Zainab, I can't see you, Bacha. I can only see your legs. Everybody? Wow, Umayma, beautiful. Hashid, lovely. Jerky, slow, robot walk. Excellent, excellent. And now, as I am going to give you the beat, you are going to move slower or faster. Okay, the robot is going to move slower or faster. Mushfira, I can't see you, Racha. Yeah, perfect. So 1, 2, 3. Are the robots ready? Umar, are you ready? Have you adjusted yourself? Yeah, perfect. So now, first my beat is slow. All my robots, please follow the beat. Go. Faster. Go faster. Good job. Remember to take levels. Go up and down. Very good. Excellent, Khadija. Hashir, come on, move faster. Very good. Move faster and faster and faster, 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 faster. Move faster. And the robot malfunctions. There's a short circuit in the robot. So the robot is going to give me a very crooked pose. Final freeze has to be very crooked. There is a malfunction malfunction, short circuit, gadbad ho gayi robot mein. Okay, so final freeze, 1, 2, 3. I want a crooked, broken robot. Quickly give me that freeze. Mustafa, beautiful. Musfira, Zainab, excellent children. Broken robot there. Oh, Omar, beautiful. Lovely children. Clap for yourselves there. Brilliant. 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 You could hold your bodies so well. You could control them so well. And so, one point to remember is...
To do more.
You want to do more? Yes, we will keep on doing that more. The tambourine will keep coming out. Remember, did you even utter a single word? आपने कुछ भी बात किया?
No.
No. And yet your body spoke so much. So always remember when we walk into a room like that and say hello.
This is a mime act.
This is a mime act, Mama. Beautiful word there. Perfect. Absolutely right.
Miming.
Do all of you know what a mime is?
Yes. Miming.
Yes. Without talking, we express with our faces and with our actions. All right. So now, on that note, I want you all to introduce yourselves. Now you know the freeze and the relax. I want you to introduce yourself by opening a magical drama door. Okay? Khadija, bacha, come to a normal background.
I don't know what that means.
I will explain. So, do you see a door in front of you? No.
There is a door.
No, not to your house. Right now, just between you and your screen. Do you see a door?
No. No.
I go out your room door.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
what do we have to do?
I will explain, Umema. Listen carefully. So, not your room's door, bacha. Is there a door between you and your screen? Between them,
No.
is there a door? No. Okay. Let us all do some magic together and we will get a door. Okay?
See, ma'am, that is a cupboard.
That is a cupboard door. Yes, perfect. Now, what we are going to do is, we are going to create a door with our magic. Are you all ready to become magicians?
Yes. Ma'am,
Can I hear you nice and loud?
Yes.
Okay, so all of you put on your magician hat. Put it on, put it on. We can't do magic without a magician hat. Lovely. Umar, yes. And now we are going to chant Abracadabra. Everybody.
Abracadabra.
Use a deep voice, okay? Abracadabra. Gilly, gilly, choke. Okay, but be very serious, all right? I want serious magicians. Otherwise, no door is going to appear. One more time, let's all do it together. 1, 2, 3, and go. Abracadabra. Gilly, gilly, choke. Excellent. Now, I am able to see a door. Can you also see the door? If you use your magic, if you use your imagination, you will be able to. And what we are going to do is, you have to have your door. Can I see your doors? Beautiful, Mana. Excellent. Khadija, Mustafa, brilliant. Umema, Hashir. Excellent. You all have your magic doors. Zainab, do you have a magic door?
My magic door
I'm
is
sure you will
broken.
get it. Get your magic door.
And my door is broken.
Your door is broken.
Ma'am.
Okay, we fix it. Yes, bacha.
Ma'am, see my door.
Show me your door, Musfira. Oh, she's showing me an actual door, but we always work with drama doors. They're far more exciting, okay? So now listen to what we are going to do. Yeah, Umema, that's also a beautiful door. That's a creative door. Okay, now listen carefully. Wait. So we are going to open the door either this way or like Umema showed us, like this. And then we are going to slowly creep out. And then we are going to say hello, your name. And then you are going to tell us something special about yourself, which nobody knows. Everybody has got something special, something crazy. The crazier, the better, which nobody knows. Okay, your friends don't know. So think, what do you want to share? Put on your thinking cap. Think for 30 seconds. Quickly think. What do you want to share? Something crazy, something silly which you did, something funny which you did. Are you all thinking? Can I hear your brains ticking? Wonderful. Those who got it, give me a thumbs up. Those who got it, you also got it. Very good. Everybody, yes, Mustafa. Good. Ali, did you get it? Zainab, Musfira. Okay, I can see so many thumbs up. Umar, did you get it?
My cat.
Umar, come closer, beta. I can't see you. Come a little closer, Umar.
I like.
Okay, so children, most of us have got an idea.
I
Manhaj,
like
did you get an idea?
this because
talking?
my cat.
Who is talking, beta? Don't talk right now. 1 minute. Now we are going to start our activity, and one by one we are going to come through the magic door. But remember, you can't just do that. That's very boring. So do that and then creep out.
Magic.
Right? And then introduce yourselves. Who wants to start?
Me.
No, me. I don't want cheaps in my class. Me. Name. Put your hand up. Okay, so let's start. Everybody will get a chance, but let's start with Umema. Ready? Everybody else, zip your mouth. Let's listen to her.
Hello. And the key? I am Umema, and I will tell you one thing that nobody knows. Me, my mother, and my brother had done at home a dancing competition. Who will do the best?
Oh, great. That's awesome. And who won the competition?
My mom.
Ah, excellent, Umema. That was brilliant. Now I'll tell you how we clap in a drama class. So we give a round of applause and I'll show you how and you can copy me, okay? So we give a round of applause. Can you all do that with me? Round of applause. Good job, children. Excellent. See how many smiles that gives us. Very good. Okay, who wants to go next? Yes, Khadija.
Me.
Khadija?
Hello, this is my family and I want to play with you.
This is my...
And we will have fun in this party.
Excellent.
I didn't understand. Can she tell it again?
Yes, Khadija, if you can just say it again because a lot of us could not hear you clearly. Okay? Go on. Khadija, you can go on again. Yes.
Hello, this is my family and I want to play in this party and we will have fun in this party.
Okay, and which party are you inviting us to?
Birthday party.
To a?
Christmas party.
Okay, good job. Let's give her a round of applause. Well done. Everybody. Ali, come on, give her a round of applause. Well done. Who wants to go next? Hashir, I love the way you clap. So much Josh there. Very good. Hashir, you want to go next?
I want to go.
Yes, everybody will get a chance. Don't worry. Don't worry. Let's just be patient. Yes, Hashir, your chance. And tell us something special about yourself.
I run so fast.
You want to?
I run so fast.
बच्चे थोड़ा जोर से बोलो. I can't hear you.
I run so fast.
You run very fast. Is that right? Excellent. Very good. Let's all give him a round of applause. Well done, Hoshi. Good job. Okay, who wants to go next?
I want to go.
Okay, Mushfira Rizwani. Yes.
I like party because my mom and I go party, and one day I live at my school. Then I give my friends party.
Oh, excellent, Musfira. Very nice. She likes to party with her mama. Excellent. Let's give her a round of applause. Well done. Who's next now?
Ma'am.
Okay. Who's coming? Yes, Mustafa. Mustafa.
My name is Mustafa. Don't say this to anybody. In the night, I slept with my dad outside, and I saw video games.
Oh my God. Zip our mouth. We are not going to tell a secret to anybody. Everybody zip your mouth. The secret is never going to go out of this group. Excellent, Mustafa. I like the way
What did he tell?
closer. Oh, he told
What
the
did he
secret
tell?
very soft. What did he tell? He told the secret very softly, okay?
What?
Mustafa, do you want to repeat it once more for us? Everybody listen carefully.
Yesterday in the night, I slept with my dad, and I saw video games in the night.
Did you hear that?
Yes, at night we played video games. I am playing this
Secret, so we have to speak it out.
my video game.
Good job, Mustafa. Well done. Let's give him a round of applause. Very nice. Okay, now whose chance is it? Manha, is it your chance now? Go, beta. Bolo.
Then my mom and I do
Played the two pens. I got first
in
this Egypt and then
mom and racing.
Manha, I can't hear you clearly, beta. Thoda zor se bolo.
and I got Canada.
Me
And somebody is. There's some noise.
me and my mom do and racing. That race I win.
Oh, you race with your mom. So do you run or do you have a car race? What type of race is it?
Brush race.
Which race?
Brush race.
Bus race.
Brush.
Brushing race. Oh, okay. Excellent. Well done, Mana. Let's give her a round of applause. Well done, Bacha. And now, can I go to Zainab? Zainab, it's your chance.
Me.
Yes. Come through the magic door.
One.
Village and mountain.
Hello, my name is Zainab. One day I was in my house, and when I blinked my eyes, I came to a sea where there was octopus and sharks.
Wow, that's so creative and imaginative. Mwah, 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 mwah. Excellent. Let's give her a round of applause there. Very good, Bacha. Very nice. Okay, now it is Mr. Ali's chance. Go, Ali.
Mr. Ali.
Ali, bolo beta. Come through the magic door and then talk.
I see mobile.
Ali, you have to talk louder.
I keep mobile all the time.
You keep mobile where? Where do you keep it?
I see mobile all the time.
Beta, you have to talk louder, sweetheart.
I see mobile all the time.
You are on the mobile all the time, and what do you watch on the mobile? Games. Okay. So again, another secret. Zip it. Nobody's going to tell anybody. Good job, Ali. Well done. Let's give him a round of applause. Very nice. Professor Umar, it's your chance now. Come closer and talk louder.
When I was a little boy, I think I was 6 or 5 years. So then what happened? One day I was sleeping, then a dream came.
Okay.
A Thomas dream, the train.
Okay.
So we played so much, and I thought we could make a drama. So then I asked my trained friends, will you make we make a drama, a Thomas drama? So we made it. So we were sitting on Thomas. I was sitting on Thomas's engine. Then we tasted all the trains. So me and Thomas came first.
Who is Thomas? Yes, who is Thomas? Somebody is asking. Umar,
it is a cartoon.
It is a cartoon, and Thomas is a.
He's also a train. He's
an engine. Yeah.
Blue train.
As a train.
Umar. Yes. Blue train. Blue train. Me. Blue train. Please.
Yes. 1 minute. Now, Musfira, yes, coming to you.
Yeah, that is.
Yes. Good job, Umar. Umar, good job. I love that creativity. Let's give him a round of applause. Everybody, round of applause for Umar. Very nice. And Musfira, yes, your chance. Thank you for being so patient. Bolo beta.
With me something happened. Ma'am. My brother
One minute, children, listen to Musfira.
Ma'am, after Musfira, I want to say something.
One minute, Musfira. Mustafa, she has already started talking. Let's wait for her. She has waited for everybody. Very good. Yes, Musfira.
Something funny happened with me.
Okay.
Last time with my brother and my cousin, my friend. It was my cousin and friend, and my father were playing football. And then my brother, my cousin got angry because it was because I thought it was goal, but it was not. But then he got angry. Then for laughing, my brother
Well done, Musfira. Let's give her a round of applause, children. Very good. Umema, why have you turned upside down? Umema, why are you doing Shirshasana? Can you turn yourself back to normal?
Ma'am, I want to say one thing.
Who wants to say one thing? Okay, I will listen to you all, but right now we have to do something else. So all your doubts.
Ma'am, can I say?
Musfira, we have to wait 5 minutes. Let's do some speech, and then again you can share. Okay?
Okay.
Speech. Again for speech, I want you all to be visible. So Khadija, please, if you can come back to normal. Omar, come back and sit down.
We're going to do that octopus.
We will. At the end of the class, we will do something like the octopus. Perfect. Okay? Umar, come and sit down. Khadija, remove your screen. Remove your background so I can see you. Manha, if you can turn yourself back to normal. I don't like children who are upside down, hanging from a tree. Yeah, perfect. All right, good job. So, children, now I want you to sit straight. Can I see everybody sitting straight? Everybody sitting straight. I don't want people leaning like this, doing that, sleeping, dozing. Nothing like that. Sitting straight. Umayma, sit straight. No, bacha, you're lying on your bed. Sit straight. Okay, all of you unmute. Umar, where are you? Okay. Yeah, Umar, I want to see your face. All right, unmute and now copy what I do. So what we are going to do is, we are going to inhale and exhale 5 times, okay? But we are going to take a deep breath because after this we have to speak some sentences, okay? So we are going to go. Okay, I'm still inhaling. I have not exhaled. And then I go. Got it? Are we ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's start. Inhale through your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And exhale through your mouth. One more time. Inhale. 1. And exhale. Last time, inhale. And exhale. Now one more time, but this time we are going to do it with a humming sound. Just look at what I am doing. So we are going to inhale, and while exhaling we are going to go Can you all do that?
Yes.
And it has to be very nasal. You have to do it through your nose. You have to go like the bee. Okay, 1, 2, 3, inhale. Everybody inhale. Wait. Inhale first. 1. And exhale. Stop. Can you hear some vibrations in your ear?
Yes.
Very good. Very good. Proud of you. Proud of you. Okay. Now tell me, children, does your mama or daddy allow you to eat chewing gum?
Yes. A little bit. Sometimes.
Sometimes. Yes,
Only sometimes I can eat.
Yes, Mushfira. Yes. So
I can eat
today, yes, Mushfira, I heard you. Yes, Mushfira, beta, I heard you. Okay, so today what we are going to do is we are going to eat special magical drama chewing gum. Just like we had the drama door, we are going to eat drama chewing gum. Are you all ready? Yes? Are you all excited for the drama chewing gum?
Yes.
Very good. So let me grab some and I am going to throw it at you and you have to jump and catch it, okay? Because there's only one special chewing gum for every child. So you have to jump and catch it. Are you ready?
Yes.
Warm yourself up a little bit because we are going to jump now. Thoda sa warm up karo, come on. Very good. Relax your neck, relax your shoulders. Very good. And my drama chewing gum is ready. Are my children ready? Let me see. Okay, 1, 2, and catch. Catch it. Jump and catch. Everybody has got one? Has everybody got one?
Yes.
Very good. Now,
Yes.
open it. Open it. Hold it in your hand and pop it into your mouth. And now, we are going to do our jaw exercise with our drama chewing gum. So look at how I am going to chew. Everybody move your lower jaw, rotate your jaw, and I want you to chew. Everybody come on, open your mouth. You should look very funny. Very good, you should look like a cow. Very good, Mushfira. Ashir, good job. Mushfira Rizvani, good job. Let me see everybody chewing. Mustafa, good. Khadija, very nice. Mana, show me. Very good. Zainab, nice. Umaima, very well done. Kumar, I can't see you chewing. Very good. Does your jaw hurt a little bit, children? Yes? Does your jaw hurt a little bit? Yes or no? Give me a thumbs up.
No.
Yes. No. If anybody is saying no, then that means you need to chew harder. And those who are saying yes, absolutely right. Just like we exercise our body, we need to exercise our jaw. Only then can we speak clearly. Okay. So after we did our very good. Now that we have done our chewing and we have looked completely disgusting like a cow, now I want to use your imagination. And
But what? We didn't throw also, ma'am.
No, we don't have to throw. It has to be in our mouth. I'll tell you what to do with it later. First, use your imagination and tell me what is the flavor of your chewing gum. But remember, it cannot be, because this is a drama class, it cannot be your regular flavors. It cannot be your strawberry and mint and this and that. It has to be crazy, out of the box, different flavors which never exist.
No.
Okay, use your brain. Don't be in a hurry. Don't be in a hurry to answer. Hold on. Wait. use your brains. Think of the most creative flavor. When you're ready, put your hand up. When you're ready, put your hand up. Okay, so I'm going to start with Khadija. Yes, Khadija, what is the flavor of your chewing gum?
Lemon.
Khadija, I want you to answer in a full sentence.
No,
What is the flavor of your chewing gum?
My flavor of the chewing gum is lemon flavor.
Oh, so she has a lemon flavored chewing gum. Bob, Manha, what about you?
My chewing gum.
Children, 1 minute. Manha.
My chewing gum color is rainbow color.
Rainbow colored chewing gum. And what is the flavor? What does it taste like?
Rainbow. Orange.
Okay, it tastes like orange. Good job. Mushfira Rizvani. What is the flavor of your chewing gum?
Mango.
Oh, the chewing gum it tastes like mango. Good job. Zainab, what is the flavor of your chewing gum?
Ma'am, I want to say.
Yes, Raja, 1 minute.
My flavor of
1 minute, 1 minute. Not like this. We have to go chance by chance. Zainab, what did you say, beta?
cheese flavor.
Cheese flavored chewing gum. Oh, I'm feeling hungry. All right, Mustafa, your chance.
Chocolate flavored chewing gum.
Children, please speak in full sentences.
The
flavor of my chewing
My
gum is...
flavor is chocolate flavored chewing gum.
Wow, I love chocolate, Mustafa. Yes, Musfira Syed, boliye beta.
Ice cream flavor.
One by one, Mushfira's chance beta. Yes, Mushfira. Sorry, we could not hear you, Mushfira.
Kiwi, my flavor
Kiwi flavored chewing gum. Good job there. Umar, your chance.
My ice cream flavored chocolate. My flavor is cotton candy flavor.
Wow, cotton candy flavored chewing gum. Good job. 1 minute. Yes, I'm going to come to everybody. Don't worry. Ali, your chance.
Mayonnaise flavor.
Which flavor?
Mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise flavored chewing gum. Oh my God, that's awesome. Umayma, your chance.
Beef flavored
Beef
chewing gum.
flavored chewing gum. Oh my God, that's interesting. Good job.
Ma'am, can I say?
1 minute, Pushpira, you had your chance, bacha. Hashir's chance. Yes.
Ma'am.
Hashir? Yeah. Hashir, what is the flavor of your chewing gum?
Mayonnaise flavor. Apple. Apple flavor. He said.
Very good. Excellent. Now remove the chewing gum from your mouth. Remove the chewing gum from your mouth. Hold it in your fingers. And we have to keep it at some safe spot to be used tomorrow again. 1 minute. Listen to the instructions. When ma'am talks, only ma'am talks. Okay, then I'll listen to you later. So we have to store it in some place where we can find it. And again, because it is drama, that place has to be crazy. So,
Ma'am, I want.
Mushfira, 1 minute, sweetheart. For today, can we store it in our ear? Can you stick your chewing gum into your ear? Put it in there. Tomorrow we are going to use it again. Okay? So keep it there carefully.
Ma'am, but in our ear there is a lot of germs.
That is okay. It is drama chewing gum. Tomorrow we will dust it off and again use it.
Ma'am,
Right, so
I want to tell one secret.
Yes, Mushfira, at the end of the class, I will listen to your secret. All right, so now everybody has got their drama chewing gum. Now, I want to see how well do you express, okay? Do you have a lot of expressions? So everybody, first of all, come closer to the screen and show me your angry faces. The angriest you can be. Angry. Very angry, okay? Extremely, extremely. Yeah, Mustafa, that is anger. Oh my God, Mushfira, good job. Umar, my God, look at the way he's doing what he's doing. Okay? And now I want very, very tired. Very tired, okay? Zainab, beautiful, beta. Hashir, very nice. Ali, good job. Good job, tired faces. Okay. Now I want very, very sad. Extremely sad. Oh my God, Mama. Mama, very well done. Good job. I love the way you're showing your sad faces. Good job. And now, completely happy and exhilarated faces. Come on, Hashir, give me a big happy smile and laugh it out. Very good. Oh my God, pat your back. Pat your back. Quickly, everybody. Pat yourself. Collars up. Collars up. No problem. Just, it is a drama collar. Just pull it up. And hug yourselves. It is 10:50. Hug yourselves. Kiss yourself. And then you are going to say, I. Everybody together. Copy my actions, copy my expressions. I am a rock star. Do rock stars lie on the bed to give their rock star poses, Umaima?
Yes.
They do. Oh my God. Oh, Khadija, I love your pose. One more time. I am a rock star. A rock star. Yay. Oh my God. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Love you all rock stars. Good job there, everybody. Brilliant. Okay. So now with those expressions, I want you to add your vocal expression. Shazia, we have 5 minutes, right?
No, ma'am, we don't have actually.
Okay,
We just end our
it's like a
session by
1 hour
10:40. No. It is only a 40-minute
No,
session.
1 hour class.
But ma'am, I really, they are so excited.
One by one.
Even I want to speak.
All right, children, one by one. Shazia wants to speak. Let's listen to her. Yes.
I brought a rock.
The kids are so excited actually. You made it so lively. I really love your energy, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Too good.
Yes, okay, so Manha wants to speak. Yes, Manha.
My chewing-gum's flavor is not orange. My chewing-gum's flavor is dark chocolate.
Dark chocolate. All right. And Mushfira Rizwani, I told you that I'll hear what you want to say. So you can tell me what you want to speak.
Ma'am, after Mushfira Rizwani, me.
Yes, okay.
Everyone wants to speak.
Ma'am, one day I take an iron. I'm 5 years and 4 years. I don't know. But I take an iron, then I stick my take iron and I put hot iron in my hand.
Oh my God. That must have hurt a lot.
Yes.
And you're smiling so much right now. Okay,
Ma'am.
wait. Mustafa's chance. Mustafa.
Because my hand hurt is very nice.
All the imagination is coming back.
Ma'am.
Okay, yes, Mustafa's chance. Mustafa, bolo beta.
You know, when I was a baby, a newborn baby, for some months, so my breath stopped.
Your
Breath stopped.
bed stopped. What does that mean? beta?
Breath. I think the breath.
Stopped. Oh, okay. Oh my God, that's terrible. And then what happened? What did Mama Daddy
My
do?
face was all blue. Then my dad and my grandfather were running very fast. They also didn't take their mobile and their shoes also. There was a bike going. My mom was shouting, what happened? So that man heard it. Then he took us to the doctor. Then in the middle, my breath, I started to breathe again.
Ma'am, I think so.
They
We
didn't took
have to
the
stop
mobile,
the session.
Yes.
Yes,
they
Ashwini
didn't
ma'am,
took
they
the
will keep
mobile,
on
so-
going and
so they can't call
they'll keep
that
on
my breath is okay.
speaking. Because they
Children, so we
require
have to
10
stop
minutes
for
break.
today. Children, we have to stop for today. But we will meet again surely, okay? Right?
We all need 10 minutes break before the next session starts. Kids, today they are not in a mood to stop the meeting. Can I end the
So
meeting,
children,
kids?
again, don't worry.
No.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Love you all.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Thank you, Ashwini ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye.